How to improve your English speaking skills. 40 tips to help you become a more confident and fluent English speaker. Introduction. English is an essential language spoken by millions of people worldwide. Being proficient in English allows you to communicate with more people, make new friends, access better job opportunities, and travel to different countries. But how can you improve your English speaking skills effectively? Here are 40 tips to help you become a more confident and fluent English speaker. 1. Practice every day. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you will get. You can practice speaking with your friends, family, teachers, or even by yourself. Talk to yourself in English using simple phrases like, "Hello, how are you?" or "I am fine, thank you." 2. Listen to English daily. Listening helps you learn new words, correct pronunciation, and how to construct sentences. Listen to English songs, watch English movies, listen to radio shows, and watch TV programs. Visit places where people speak English to improve your listening skills. 3. Read in English. Reading helps you expand your vocabulary and understand sentence structure. Start with easy books, children's stories, newspapers, or magazines. Read out loud to practice your speaking. You can also read with a friend and take turns reading to each other. 4. Write in English. Writing helps you structure sentences and learn new vocabulary. Keep a diary in English, write letters, emails, or short stories. Try using new words in your writing to reinforce your learning. 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Everyone makes them. When you make mistakes, ask your friends, teachers, or family for feedback. Don't be shy, speak as much as you can. 6. Think in English. Train yourself to think in English. For example, when you see a chair, think, "This is a chair." This habit will help you speak more naturally. 7. Learn new words daily. Expand your vocabulary by learning new words every day. Use a dictionary and write new words in a notebook. Try using them in sentences to help you remember. 8. Speak slowly. Speaking slowly helps you pronounce words clearly and makes it easier for others to understand you. Don't rush, take your time and think before you speak. 9. Join an English class. Classes offer structured learning and the chance to practice with classmates. Your teacher can correct mistakes and give you valuable advice. 10. Have fun. Learning English should be enjoyable. Play games, sing songs, and watch funny videos in English. When you have fun, learning becomes easier. 11. Use technology. There are many apps and online resources to help you learn English. Use apps to practice pronunciation, expand your vocabulary, and watch educational videos. 12. Make English-speaking friends. Practice speaking with friends who are fluent in English. They can help correct your mistakes and introduce you to new words and cultural insights. 13. Watch English news. Watching the news helps you stay informed while improving your listening and speaking skills. Focus on how reporters pronounce words and construct sentences. 14. Join an English-speaking club. Clubs provide opportunities to meet people who are also learning English. Engage in conversations and learn from each other. 15. Travel to English-speaking countries. Immersion is one of the best ways to learn. Traveling forces you to use English in real-life situations like hotels, restaurants, and shops. 16. Use flashcards. Create flashcards for new words. Write the word on one side and the meaning on the other. Review them daily to reinforce learning. 17. Record yourself speaking. Recording helps you identify mistakes and track your progress. Ask friends or teachers to listen and provide feedback. 18. Mimic native speakers. Imitate the way native speakers talk, including their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. This will make your speech sound more natural. 19. Read aloud. Reading aloud helps you practice pronunciation and rhythm. It improves both your reading and speaking skills. 20. Practice with a partner. Speaking with a partner helps you stay motivated and correct mistakes. Practice conversations and ask each other questions. 21. Use a mirror. Speaking in front of a mirror helps you observe your facial expressions and mouth movements, improving your delivery. 22. Participate in online forums. Join forums where English is spoken. Contribute to discussions, ask questions, and improve your vocabulary. 23. Write scripts for conversations. Prepare for conversations by writing scripts for different situations. Practice saying these scripts out loud. 24. Learn about different cultures. Understanding English-speaking cultures helps you communicate effectively and appropriately in different situations. 25. Set goals. Set small, achievable goals like learning 5 new words daily or speaking for 10 minutes a day. Goals keep you motivated. 26. Reward yourself. Celebrate your progress with small rewards to stay motivated and make learning fun. 27. Be patient. Learning a language takes time. Don't get discouraged by mistakes, keep practicing. 28. Use English in daily life. Integrate English into your daily activities, write shopping lists, talk to your pets, and take notes in English. 29. Find a language exchange partner. Partner with someone who wants to learn your language and practice speaking together. 30. Join online language communities. Connect with learners worldwide, ask questions, and share resources to improve together. 31. Use language exchange apps. Apps allow you to chat, call, or video chat with native speakers, providing real-time practice. 32. Practice pronunciation. Focus on clear pronunciation by mimicking native speakers and speaking slowly. 33. Learn common phrases. Learning everyday expressions makes your speech more fluent and natural. 34. Immerse yourself in English media. Surround yourself with English movies, podcasts, and music to boost comprehension. 35. Track your progress. Reflect on your achievements and areas for improvement. Celebrate milestones to stay motivated. 36. Attend workshops and events. Participate in workshops or local events to practice with fluent speakers. 37. Focus on fluency over accuracy. In casual conversations, prioritize fluency. Mistakes are part of the learning process. 38. Practice in different situations. Engage in diverse situations like making calls, ordering food, or giving presentations to boost confidence. 39. Get feedback from native speakers. Ask native speakers to correct your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. 40. Stay motivated and persistent. Consistency is key. Keep practicing and learning, and enjoy your journey toward fluency. Conclusion. Improving your English speaking skills takes dedication and practice. Follow these strategies to enhance your skills step by step. Each small effort brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy the process of mastering a new language. Thank you.